Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using two of these Dollar Tree crates. I glued them together end to end with wood glue and hot glue. And then I'm using these 1-inch spools I got from a thrift store. I hot glue them on the bottom of the crates, one on each corner. Next, I'm taking Antique Wax by Waverly. I start by brushing it on and then using a baby wipe to blend it in. I then use a small paintbrush to get into those creases within the crates, and I cover that entirely. Next, I'm taking these 12-inch stir sticks I get from Amazon. I'm using 3 of them here. I cut them in half with Fisker shears and sand down the edges where I cut them. I then brush on the antique wax on each of those. Next, I take an additional stir stick and cut that down the length of the 2 crates. I end up using 6 stir sticks total. Those other stir sticks I paint with the wax as well as this plank wood I got from Dollar Tree. And then I'm taking one of the full stir sticks and hot gluing that on the back of the crates, making sure it's flush with the bottom and the sides. I then take the ones that are cut down and place them along the remaining part of the back side of the crate, and then hot glue those into place, just giving them a little bit of space in between each. I then take the stir stick I had cut down the length of the crates and hot glue that to each of those stir sticks I had placed on the back. I then take the plank wood and I'm stenciling on the word welcome, just using some black chalk paint and a stencil brush, using very minimal paint on it. I give it 2 coats and then remove the stencil, dry it completely, and use a small paintbrush to fill in the gaps left by the stencil. And I thought it looked a little too plain this way, so I added a black stripe on the bottom and the top, just using some masking tape, and then used my craft sponge to brush on the black chalk paint, just giving it 1 quick coat. I then take my second full-size stir stick and I hot glue that to the top of the one going up on the left side of the crate. I then flip over the piece of plank wood and see where I want it to be hanging down and mark a couple spots with my pencil to see where I want to hang my twine on it. And I glue 2 pieces of the twine on those markings, just using some hot glue. I then hot glue the other ends of the twine to that stir stick going across the top and cut off the excess. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.